Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your teacher Google account and opening the specific class you'll share. Once inside, go straight to Settings to verify class code and permissions. This ensures the link will work for external students. Make sure the class visibility and joining options allow students to join with a link. If you use a managed school account, check admin restrictions first so you don't hit a block later. Now create and copy the actual invite. Go to the People tab or class banner and find the join link or class code. Click to reveal the URL you'll share. Once you copy it, consider shortening it for cleaner sharing, but preserve the full code if required. Then paste the link into an email, your learning management system, or a chat so students have clear instructions on how to click and join. Explain any age or domain requirements up front so expectations are clear. Finish by giving students simple step-by-step instructions. Click the link, pick their Google account, and confirm they want to join the class. Once done, verify a few students successfully appear in People. If someone cannot join, have them try an incognito window and reproduce the error so you can diagnose. Make sure they're using an allowed account type. If problems persist, check your G Suite admin or class access settings and adjust domain restrictions as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.